Sabhaku Namaskaram. Sabham Namaha. Sarvani Sangeeta Sabha and Papachatti Raghavaya Chatti Charities jointly welcomes you all for this evening program of Yendaro Mahanubhavalu. Thematic devotional songs. We are pleased to welcome the world-renowned Dr. Srimati Vaijayanthimala Bali Garu for this program. We also welcome Shri Bhuvana Chandra Garu, popular lyricist and writer. We now request Dr. Vaijayanthimala Garu, Srimati Nitya Santoshi, Srimati Gayatri Sudhakar to lighten the lamp. May we request Dr. Srimati Vaijayanthimala Bali Garu to honor our musicians. First, we would request Shri Nihal, Srimati Nitya Santoshi, Srimati Swapna, Shri Raghavan Manian, Shri PSRK Pavan, the violinist, Shri R. Kalyan Kumar, keyboard, Shri S. Swami Mridangam, Shri B. Manjunath Swami, tabla, and we would request the printer and designer of this memento, Shri B. Srinivas, to please come and accept a memento from us. And now Dr. Vaijayantimala Baligaru would be honored by Srimati Vasanta Garu, the founder of Sarvani Sangeeta Sabha.
Few words about our trust. I told him.
Is it you've already spoken?
Yeah, you just asked.
Musical and devotional evening. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. I would like to place my profound thoughts to the great quote, music is divine. Various forms of Indian music has proven this time and again, that music is a path that leads to moksha or salvation. In contrast to Western music or other musical forms, Indian music is revered not only as a total tool for Mano Ranjakam, but also act as a guide towards Mukti. The method of treating this path is Nada Sadhana. I would like to quote a verse from our Vedas. Nada Rupa Smurto Brahma, Nada Rupo Janardana, Nada Rupa Parashaktir, Nada Rupo Maheshwaraha. As per the shloka, Brahma, Vishnu, Shakti and Shiva are all considered as different forms of Nada only. This divinity that has been expressed by various composers has elevated our belief that this is one of the gateway to the salvation. Shri Purandaradasa, Annamacharya, Ramadas, Tyagaraj, etc., the great composers dedicated their lives in the praise of their Ishta Devatas. By dedicating our thoughts on the divine music, we now present few flowers in praise of Lord Sri Krishna and seek the blessings to keep us continuously guided in our journey from Nada Upasana to Nada Brahman. First of all, I would like to thank Sarvani Sangeeta Sabha, Vasanta Garu and Sri Vilas Garu, and also Papi Chetty Raghavaya Chetty Charities for organizing today's thematic concept, Endaro Mahanubhavula Nada Brindavanam. The reason mentioning Nada Brindavanam, will be presenting the compositions on Lord Krishna by different composers or Vagayakaras. Krishna is universal. He is love, joy, bliss and pure consciousness from life to beyond life. Today we'll offer these divine compositions with love and devotion and express the various facets of the Lord. Hope you'll all will enjoy this today's evening.
I would now request PRCC trustee Mr. Sudhakar Garu to address the gathering.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have seen a lot of people coming here for this beautiful function. I like to tell you something about our charities. Papi Chetty Raghavaya Chetty Charities has just completed 108 years of existence in the service of the society, in which it was founded. The charities was established in July 1912 through a deed of trust and a will of the founder, Sri Papi Chetty Raghavaya Chetty, with social, economic and religious objectives. It was one of the earliest charities to be established in the early 20th century. Presently, the charities provided pension to about 650 people aged and needy person and including differently abled person in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala. In this year, we have distributed scholarship for all children from LKG to up to doctor or anything like that, depends upon their merits and all those things. To students at various levels in schools and colleges. In addition, the charities has made contribution for the renovation of a number of temples and maintaining the Goshala. In addition, the charities provide assistance to the needy for medical expenses, travel to holy places, upanyasams and marriages. Cremation also we help and other purposes. Support provided to institutions including Sri Padamudur Sanskrit College and Maharishi Vidya Mandir. PRCC runs 3 chowdhuries in Sri Perambuttur, Sri Valliputtur, Sholingar. PRC have 1 centenary hall in T Nagar, this one. Papichetty Raghavich Chetty's charities to manage them 5 charities. They were Guram Akul Chetty Estate, Kalavala Sri Ramulu Chetty Estate, Attaluru Thiruvengadamma Estate, Tirumala Vinjamala Mangamma Estate and Konduru Sampati Chetty and Konduru Padmavati Amma charities. In the years to come, we seek the assistance of the Almighty and the founder to give wisdom and strength to the trustees in fulfilling the wishes of the founder and continue with its good work in the society. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. This was told by Mr. Winston Churchill. Charity seeks the need, not the cause. Every charitable act is a stepping stone towards heaven. Charity by benefits the give more than the receiver. Charity should begin at home but should not stay there. I welcome everybody and on behalf of the PRC charities, I take a lot of time. I don't want to be in between this. You have to enjoy the beautiful program. Thank you very much.
I would like to thank my co-singers first. Swapna, instead of her busy schedule, she is very, very busy in journalism and you watch her every day on the televisions. Being a very busy person, she graced this occasion today to be a singer, part of the Nadopasana today. And Srimati Nitya Santoshini, very mellifluous, melodious singer. Raghavan Manian, one of the closest Shishya of Balamurali sir. And my wonderful musicians here, Mr. Kalyan Kumar on keyboard, Pawan on violin, Mr. Swami on mridangam, Manjunath on tabla. And I would like to thank even for the, without sound, it doesn't sound good. So I would like to thank the sound system.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். உங்கள் எல்லாரையும் அன்புடன் வருக வருக என்று வரவேற்கின்றோம். అందరికీ నమస్కారం. బహుభాషా ప్రేక్షకులు ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇవాల్టి కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఆంగ్లంలోనే నడిపిద్దాం. రాముల వారిపై మామూలుగా సంకీర్తనలు, కీర్తనలు స్తుతిస్తూ రాసిన త్యాగరాజ స్వామి వారు రాసిన ఒక అద్భుతమైన సంకీర్తనతో ఇవాల్టి కార్యక్రమాన్ని మొదలు పెడుతున్నాం. గానమూర్తి రాగంలో గానమూర్తి ఆరితాళం శ్రీ రాఘవన్ మన్యన్ గారు పాడబోతున్నారు.
गानमूर्ते गानमूर्ते वेणुगानमूर्ते कृष्ण वेणुगानमूर्ते श्रीकृष्ण वेणुगानमूर्ते श्रीकृष्ण वेणुगानमूर्ते श्रीकृष्ण वेणुगानमूर्ते त्रिभुवन पाल पाहि गानमूर्ते श्रीकृष्ण वेणुगानमूर्ते त्रिभुवन पाल पाहि गानमूर्ते कृष्ण वेणुगानमूर्ते मणिनी मणि मणिनी मणि मणि श्री रूपिणी मणिनी मणि श्री रूपिणी मणिनी मणि श्री रूपिणी मणिनी मणि श्री रूपिणी मानसापहर मरजनक दिव्य मानसापहर मरजनक दिव्य गानमूर्ते श्रीकृष्ण वेणुगानमूर्ते त्रिभुवन पाल पाहि गानमूर्ते कृष्ण नवनीत चोर नंद शक्ति शोर नवनीत चोर नंद शक्ति शोर नवनीत चोर नंद शक्ति शोर नरमीन्द्र धीर नरसिंह सूर नवनीत चोर नंद शक्ति शोर नरमित्र धीर नरसिंह सूर नव में कहते
The next composition, Govardhana Girisham. It's in Ragam Hindolam. Very beautiful composition by Muthuswami Dikshitar, and I'm going to present this. Gopalaratnam Gopalaratnam Guvanaikaratnam Gopangana Yavana Bhagyaratnam Gopangana Yavana Bhagyaratnam Shri Krishna Ratnam Shri Krishna Ratnam Surasevya Ratnam Bhajamahe Yadavavansaratnam Yadavavansaratnam Govardhana Girisham Smarami Govardhana Girisham Smarami Anisham 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 Gopikadi Manoharam Garidakam Sadiharam Govardhana Girisham Smarami Anisham Gopikadi Manoharam Garidakam Sadiharam Govardhana Girisham Smarami Govinda Namasaram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram Govinda Namasaram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram Govinda Namasaram Gajendra Rakshana Dhiram Kavi Jana Mandaram Kanaka Jita నయన విలాసం రమణీయ ముఖాభాసం శివగణాది విశ్వాసం శ్రీ గురుముగమనోనాశం గోవర్ధన గిరీశం స్మరామి అయనీశం గోపికాది మనోహరం కరిరకం పాదిహరం గోవర్ధన గిరీశం స్మరామి गोवर्धनगिरीशं स्मरा The next composition is Uttukad Subbaiyer composition. All Uttukad Subbaiyer, Venkat Subbayar's compositions are in praise of Lord Krishna. This is another beautiful composition in the Ragam Riti Gaula. Very famous Kirtana, especially for dancers. They do a lot of vinyasam in this Kirtana. Vrindavana Nilaye Radhe. वृंदावन निलये वृंदावन निलये राधे वृंदावन निलये राधे वृंदावन निलये राधे
अति तेज मंगल नित्ये रवि गोपी कुसुमाकरललिते वसुदेव देवकी नंद मुकुंद गोविंद कालिक नर्तन रसिके सुगंध परिमल कुसुमाकरललिते वसुदेव देवकी नंद मुकुंद गोविंद कालिक नर्तन रसिके
The next composition is a kriti by Sri Sadashiva Brahmendra Swami in the raga Abhogi. This composition has been sung in several ragas. I will be presenting this in the raga Abhogi, set to Aritala. गायति वनमाली मधुरं गायति वनमाली मधुरं गायति वनमाली मधुरं गायति वनमाली मधुरं गायति वनमाली सुमलय समीरे मुनिजन सेवित यमुना तीरे पुष्प सुगंध सुमलय समीरे मुनिजन सेवित यमुना तीरे गायति वनमाली मधुरं गायति वनमाली परमहंस हृदयोत्सवकारी 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 परमहंस हृदयोत्सवकारी परिपूरित मुरलीरवधारी परमहंस हृदयोत्सवकारी परिपूरित मुरलीरवधारी गायति वनमाली मधुरं गायति वनमाली मधुरं गायति वनमाली वनमाली
Next, another beautiful composition by Kavi Bharadiyar, Varuvai Varuvai in Desh Ragam. Nitya Santoshini is going to present this.
Thank you. வருவாய் வருவாய் கண்ணா வருவாய் 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 கண்ணா வருவாய் 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 கண்ணா வருவாய் 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 கண்ணா வருவாய் 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 கண்ணா வருவாய் வருவாய் வருவாய். உருவாய் அறிவில் ஒளிர்வாய் கண்ணா உருவாய் அறிவில் ஒளிர்வாய் கண்ணா உயிரின் நமுதாய் பொழிவாய் கண்ணா உயிரின் நமுதாய் பொழிவாய் கண்ணா கருவாய் வளர்வாய் கண்ணா கருவாய் என்னுள் வளர்வாய் கண்ணா காமனார் திருவோடி நைவாய் கண்ணா காமனார் திருவோடி நைவாய் கண்ணா வருவாய் 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 கண்ணா வருவாய் வருவாய் வருவாய். சூரார் தலைகள் சீதர கணைவாக சூரார் தலைகள் சீதர கடையோ ஐயனே கடையோ அழுவாய் கடையோ ஐயனே கடையோ தெழுவாய் வருவாய் 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 கண்ணா வருவாய் 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 கண்ணா வருவாய் 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 கண்ணா வருவாய் வருவாய் கண்ணா கண்ணா கண்ணா
The next composition, Saint Ramadasa's composition, Nandabalam. Ramdas, he wrote many on Lord Rama, but this is the rarest composition on Lord Krishna written by Ramadasa. This is Nandabalam, Bhajare Nandabalam, which is set in Kalyani Ragam. Swapna and Nitya, they both are going to present this.
जलज संभवादि विनुत चरणारविन्दौ
कृष्णा
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 जलज संभवादि
चरणारविन्दौ ललित मोहन राधा वदन नलिन विनिन्दौ जलज संभवादि विनुत चरणारविन्दौ ललित मोहन राधा वदन नलिन विनिन्दौ ललित मोहन राधा वदन नलिन विनिन्दौ नन्दबालं भजरे नन्दबालं नन्दबालं भजरे नन्दबालं भजरे नन्दबालं भजरे नन्दबालं विठल तट स्फुट कुटिल नीलारवृन्दौ विठल तट स्फुट कुटिल नीलारवृन्दौ घटित शोभित गोपिका अधर मकरन्दौ विठल तट स्फुट कुटिल नीलारवृन्दौ घटित शोभित गोपिका अधर मकरन्दौ घटित शोभित गोपिका अधर मकरन्दौ नन्दबालं भजरे नन्दबालं नन्दबालं भजरे नन्दबालं भजरे नन्दबालं भजरे नन्दबालं गोदावरी तीरवास गोपिका నందవానం భజరి నందవానం భజరి నందవానం భజరి నందవానం భజరి నందవానం భజరి నందవానం భజరి నందవానం